Don't laugh, oh. This might actually be the only correct way you can enjoy your noodles. You wouldn't know if you don't try it. But wait though, let me show you my own style of stir fry noodles. I promise you're gonna love it. So we're gonna start by cutting up some veggies. You can skip tomatoes because I know lots of you don't like tomatoes. And then our pepper, like this is a very crucial part of this noodles. Honestly, you wouldn't like your noodles without pepper. Even though you are not a pepper fan, then removing the seeds of the tomatoes because I know so many of you don't like it. You can actually replace the tomatoes with bell peppers if that's what you prefer. Okay, you can go as far as adding your sausage, hot dogs, but me, I'm using egg. No stress, just one otun urakwa. Just one egg, that's what I'm using. And at first, like, it's crazy, at first I wanted to fry this egg, but all of a sudden I don't know what happened. I saw myself boiling it, and this is me trying to yum, 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 trying to open up the what do you call this thing? Is it spice or seasoning, whatever it is? So there's me opening it up, and I decided to use one and half. Like, I used all the pepper though, but I used like half of the salt or the maggi. Like, I don't know which is it, but yeah. So this is me parboiling my noodles. And yes, I would like to know, how do you cook your noodles? Because for me, I have 1001 ways to make noodles, honestly. I have this lazy kind of noodles where I just like put in the noodles, adding a lot of pepper and veggies, and just adding everything like inside the pot, and just like wait for the noodles. Like, I just do it the fast way, just let everything cook. Sometimes I tend to like just parboil it, remove it, and all of that. So which way, like, what's your go-to, like, what's your go-to noodles recipe? Do you like the stir fry? Do you like the one-way traffic? Because that's what I call it. It's one-way traffic. Just put in everything, the seasoning, pew, mix it, and you're done. So if you're wondering what I'm doing, I added in the veggies into the sauce and into the seasoning so that I can clean the plate up, since we are not adding water. If you've been following me, you will see, like, there is this noodles I made before, kind of stir fry. I don't know if that's it. Yeah, it's stir fry, but I tend to add in a little bit of water. But this one, no water, no aqua. Okay, so this is me cracking up the egg. I just knocked the egg like it did something to me in the past life, or it's fine. The egg is innocent. So this is me peeling up the egg. For those that don't know what I'm doing, I'm peeling up the egg. And I'm adding it here so that it can get some of the sauce directly from the pot. Oh my god, now I'm turning poet in this stir fry matter. Now I don't turn poet. I'm loving it. So you're just gonna stir the thing. Guys, don't ask me what's wrong with me. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm just happy this evening, at least. Okay, let me not say much, but I love what I'm doing. Like, I so enjoyed this noodles. Like, I enjoyed it with my full chest, with my full OB. I enjoyed these noodles, and I am beating my chest hard that you too, you're going to enjoy it. Just trust the process. Okay, it might see like a much of work, like trying to make that kind of thing, that thing that I'm doing, like turning it in a circular motion. And funny enough, I'm using this. I felt I left my spatula, I left my non-sticky spatula, because of what someone say that I'm making it this good, probably because I'm using that. That's why. So I decided to use the stainless one to let her know that I'm the best at what I do. See you tomorrow. Bye.